Thank you for joining me for today's video. Today we're going to transform a cake into a ladybug cake. If you like today's video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be the first to draw with me. To start drawing our cake, we draw a straight line down on the left-hand side of our page. This will be the front of our cake, the pointy part. And then along the bottom we draw a diagonal line. And then I'm just going to lightly draw a diagonal line that's the same as the bottom one so that I know where to draw my frosting. And then I draw 4 curves, one shorter, one longer, a short one, and then another long one. So this looks like dripping frosting. And then we end this by going straight down. And extend that a little bit so I can draw the side of the cake where there's extra frosting. And a little curve on the bottom. And then to make the top of the cake, I'm going to draw a diagonal line. And then I'm going to curve up on this edge and draw dollops of icing, teardrop shapes. And when I draw one in front, then the next one I draw a little bit behind the first one. So it looks like they're overlapping. And you can usually fit 4 across the top. If you only fit 3, that's fine. If you need more to fill it in, that's good too. And the last one that you draw lines up with the top of the cake line. And now I'm going to draw eyeballs, big circles. If they go on top of your icing, that's okay because we're going to be erasing and filling in with permanent marker to make them black. So we'll cover any lines that we might have showing through. And then on the top corner of each circle, I draw a curved line and a one on the bottom, so that will look like reflections in the eyeballs. For the mouth, I do a little curve with a little loop, so it looks like his tongue is sticking out. And now I'm going to turn it into a ladybug. So I'm going to draw circles on the cake part. They're a little smaller than the eyeballs. Some of them can be whole circles, some of them can be part circles. And this one I think I drew a little too big, so I'm going to make that a little smaller. And now I'm going to outline everything with a black permanent marker. Make sure to fill in all the spots nice and dark. Now I'm going to draw some antennas. They come out just a little above the eyeball, 2 curved lines with each having a circle on the top. I'm going to erase any pencil that I might have missed with the permanent marker. And now it's time to color. Red for the cake part. And I'm going to color the little dollops of icing red and a little pink for the tongue. And your ladybug cake is done. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more videos coming. I'm going to be transforming a lot of cakes and a bunch of other things.